everyone, my name is Irina and I'm the owner of the blog Lipstick Cafe, and this will be an unboxing video. I usually film mine on my Instagram page, but this time I decided to do a proper video about it. So I've got all the boxes here with me. Now don't be scared, I didn't order a lot of things, it's just that for some reason almost every single item came in a different box, even though they're from the same website, but never mind. If you enjoy beauty related content, then please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. So I'll start with the first box on the pile. And I did open them prior to the video just because my address was on the top of every box. So yeah, so this is going to be mainly hair care related video. I've lately been mainly concerned with my hair. It's been in a pretty bad shape recently, so I decided to order a few things and see if it would make any difference. So this is the first box, and as you can tell, it's not a lot inside, it's just one item really. And that is a serum from The Ordinary. Oh, this actually feels pretty high-end, although it looks like it's been opened several times. This is the serum I've ordered. Oh, it's in a bigger bottle than I thought. Oh, it's only 60 ml if I remember correctly. Yes, I think this was £16. Not a bad price for what it is, but it's not really affordable either. It's in between, I'd say. This is the Multi-Peptide Serum for hair density, a concentrated serum for hair that looks thicker, denser, fuller and healthier. Now, I did have a look at the ingredients and it has some very beneficial ones for your scalp and hair. So this says it visibly improves hair thickness, density and fullness. I don't have, amazing expectations from it, but I do hope it will help a bit. I have so many flyaways and my hair has been falling a lot, so I'm not really sure what's going on, but hopefully this will give it a bit of a boost and, I don't know, help it? I'm really excited to try this one, and I'll definitely write a full review about it in the future, but I will give myself quite a few months to form my opinion and see what this is all about. Now, in terms of ingredients, I will discuss them on my blog. As usual, I write a lot of articles about ingredient analysis and Lipstick Cafe, so if you're ever curious about those kind of things, then do check it out, because I analyze the ingredients of several bits and pieces and, various products. But yes, I'm really tired of my flyaways and of, I don't know, just kind of the lack of density and kind of life in my hair, so I'll give this a go. I'm really excited about it. This was the main thing I wanted to order, but then how they always tell you that you only get like free delivery over 20 or 25 pounds, and then you just sit there, like, what else should I order? And then you end up ordering 5 more things. Yeah, that's what happens to me. The next box feels heavier, so hopefully this has more things in it than just one. Oh, so I've got this discount code, but God knows I should really stop ordering things. I've got 2 things in this box, and the first one I'm going to talk about is this shampoo, which I am really excited to try. This is the Giovanni Golden Wheat Deep Cleanse Shampoo, and it says for normal to oily hair. This was only £2, I think, because it was like 50% off. So for 250 mils, I think this is fantastic and it's extremely affordable. But the reason why I ordered this is because I thought it has some absolutely excellent ingredients. It has vitamin E, it has some menthol, it also has aloe vera, which is fantastic, some oils in here. It just has some really interesting ingredients that you don't normally find in shampoos, especially not shampoos this affordable. Now this says it's formulated with a botanical blend that deeply cleanses hair and gently helps remove pollutants, impurities and excess oils to encourage volume and shine. Now the problem I've had with my scalp recently, it's very itchy and congested. It's almost like it cannot breathe, and because it's so oily, I feel it gets clogged a lot. And I've left my roots natural. You know, I went from a full blonde to balayage. Probably not using bleaches and dyes so close to my scalp is also not exfoliating it either. So this is a deep cleanse clarifying shampoo, and it says it is deeply cleansing but it does not strip hair. I cannot wait to try this out and let you know how it goes. The problem with my hair is that it requires certain things that also affect my blonde. So oftentimes if I find a cleansing shampoo or if I use certain products for, you know, hair loss and all kind of things, then it strips the color out of my hair and it gets very brassy and not the best. So I'll definitely try this, but again, I'll give it a few months to fully form my opinion, and then I'll do an article or a review on my blog. The next thing that was in the box is from Philip Kingsley. And again, this tricked me because it was like 50% off. So I only paid, I think, £5 or £6 on it. This is supposed to be a scalp treatment. I think that's why it has this more interesting applicator. It says, stimulating scalp toner energizes the scalp to encourage optimum hair health. Now, I'm not particularly excited of the ingredients of this one. The second ingredient is alcohol, so might not be the best, but it has witch hazel, glycerine, it has pyroxone olamin. God, it was just a few pounds after it was 50% off, so I really wanted to try this. Hopefully it'll help. I mean, my scalp can get really itchy and congested, as I've said, so hopefully this will help. I don't have high hopes for any of them to just magically make my hair grow, but hopefully it will make it a bit healthier. Definitely really excited to try this. It looks high-end to me, so I'm excited about that. And this is a light hold volumizing mousse, which might go in complete opposite directions from my scalp purifying things, because this is pretty much going to congest my scalp. I really need some volume. This is supposed to create an aura of touchable volume for a soft, refined hold, and you're just supposed to use it on with damp hair from roots to ends. I'm not sure what to say. I'm very excited to try this. I think this was £12 after the discount. I have high hopes for this because it's a professional brand. I've seen hair salons using Vela Professional before, so I'm really excited about it. Well, I hope you had fun unboxing with me. I certainly found it really fun and I cannot wait to try all these things. They're not that expensive, so I had fun ordering them, although I felt a bit guilty, like we all do. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy beauty related content, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share, comment and like this video because it means the world to me. For any other content I produce, you can also check my social media pages like Instagram. Don't forget to check my blog as usual, lipstick.cafe. And I hope to see you soon in my next videos. Bye!